Hi everyone, welcome back to Word Fandom Creative Studio. A few of you wanted to have a look at to see what the typography designs that I do looks like on some of the products on Redbubble. So I thought I'd show you here today. As you can see, 53 products are available with this quote that I've chosen: do more of what makes you happy. And as you can see here, it looks good on t-shirts and the like. I'll show you one of them here, which also shows a different color. Most of my designs are definitely the white text on black background because it stands out the most. But here you can see it's available on 4 colors, and if we choose one, it looks just as good in red, or we'll have a look at green, and the blue. And as you can see, the sizes go from small to 2 times extra large, but that's just showing you that it can come in different colors, not just the black that I've chosen. But on the other products, as you can see, I've chose the black background. And one of the better things to have a look at as to what typography looks good on, especially white with black, is the pillows. These ones are the floor pillows, so you can get them extremely large. And just to show you there, the typography stands out and looks good. If we can go to the next, just to give you an idea of the different sizes you can get. And that is the quote. And I'll just show you, there's one more great product out there, and it happens to be the clock. Definitely for quotes and sayings. Everybody looks at the clock all day, and you should remind yourself to do more of what makes you happy. And as you can see there, it looks good on the clock and comes in a few different frame colors, showing them there: black, white, and the beach. And also great on the female tops as well. So we'll have a look at the some of the women's ones also. You have a look at this chiffon top, which is a bit more dressy, different, but also looks good with a typography quote on it, as you can see there. But this is only available in one colour, and as you can see, I've chosen the black. And so that was just basically to show you what this particular quote looks like, and as you can see there as well, makes a great poster. And do more than what makes you happy. Alright, thanks for coming back.